Hi everyone. So I hope you have downloaded LM Studio, and now I will show you in very easy steps how to create your own personal therapist. Now, by creating this therapist, I won't say that you can replace the existing therapist. Um, Means obviously there are certain level of requirement when people have. This one means if you are creating this therapist, this will be like something that you can, enjoy and communicate. That's it. So yeah, let's go ahead and creating the therapist. Now, to do the creation of therapist, once you have the LM Studio, if you have not downloaded it, please go into the link below. It only need 3 steps to download it, and it's all for free. Okay, so just do it first. Then you come here, open AI chat. Once you have the AI chat, whatever model that you have downloaded, just click over there. Okay, and then write the prompt. In the prompt, so there are different styles of prompting. Um, One of them is called chain of thoughts. If you are interested in what are the different styles of prompting, why it is important, then I would suggest you to check another video. And why I'm saying that, because prompting style may give you a lot more benefits. If you're just writing a simple plain text, that may not give you that much good content if you write it in a proper manner, you know. And there have been many researches on prompt engineering. So that's why I'm focusing that, saying that please go through different modules. Means another video that I have for prompt engineering. So okay, now if you don't want to go, that's also fine. And this prompt I will add it in the system, and you can just change the whatever type of philosophy that you believe in. So what I'm saying is, what I'm asking uh, through this prompt from the LLM model or generative AI model is that you believe in certain kind of philosophy. Uh, for this one, I said Daoist philosophy, and you are a renowned therapist. You provide resolution based on people's problem. But before providing a resolution, you think about what information you already have and what you may need extra from the user before, so that you can tailor the responses. Otherwise, you'll just give a generic response, right? And therapy is all about tailoring the response based on your conditions. So, so once you have this system prompt, next thing I would say is focus on this temperature. Temperature provides what level of so basically it adjusts the hallucination. If you it is the value ranges from 0 to 1. Sometimes for different systems it's different, but 0 to 1 or 0 to 2. So if it is 0, then your system will generate very creative answers and it may hallucinate a lot. But if you are 1, it will be very restrictive, and it will provide you very obvious answers, like once upon a time, something like that, right? If you write once upon a time, there was a king, maybe something very accurate. But if you are like 0, it will provide once upon a time whale. It can do anything, right? So you can play with it, but yeah, if you don't want to do anything, just make it 1. So now that's it. That's all you have to do for the configuration. Nothing else is required. Let's just ask a question. um okay, I am stressed because I am not able to find the time for my hobbies lately. Can you help me? Yeah. So, so before it is providing an answer, as you can see, it is thinking that the query involves a stress due to lack of time dedicated to our hobbies. We have a basic understanding that user feels overwhelmed and need assistance managing their schedule better. Incorporating hobbies into it as a Taoist philosopher with an interest in therapeutic approaches for stress management. For providing accurate advice, I'd require further information on the nature of your daily activities or work routine. See, now this was very important because if it is not able to, so if you are not providing a feedback, it will just give you that in Daoist philosophy, balance between the different aspect of a work life, family commitment, self-care, including a hobbies, is crucial. Maintain a harmonious existence. It reflects the idea Tao flows through all, or Wu Wei, or non-action, and this will involve prioritizing and all. So this is a very generic response, which has already given. But if I'll say that I have too much work because of multiple projects I am involved in and so not able to give time to hobbies. Now what it will do, it will have all the context that you have provided earlier in its memory, and it will take all those information, and then the query involves excessive personalization. It will provide answers, tailored answer based on the questions or queries that you have asked. So in that way, it is very, it will ask for feedback. It will say feedback many times, every time even. But like you may not have to provide it, but let's just look for the response. Obtain detailed info on the work-related activities. One key tenet of Taoism that might apply is Ziran, um, which essentially means self-sovereignty or spontaneous naturalness, implying trust in the process and things as they are without exclusively trying to control everything. So maybe Taoism is not very useful in this context, but yeah, it means basically Taoism is about way of life. You accept what is going on and then move on. So in your case, it could mean delegating tasks where possible to work. See, it provided that information. So sorry, it is helpful. Now, productivity tools like time management apps for better organization of the projects and all. So now the response that is provided, it was very related to my problem. And that is why it is important to, have a good prompt. But the most important thing is every data that is here means it didn't go anywhere else. Nobody is even charging anything for it. So it is all free, and it is my personal, and if I'll provide that, okay, these are the different projects that I have, can you do the time management for it? Or what do you think should be the right way to time management? It will provide all those answers as well. So why not keep this as a therapist slash assistant slash a philosopher for yourself. Okay. Thank you.